So, refresh. So, nandito siya sa bucket ni Chris 2. We have to set the permission. Ayan. So, once you selected this one, meron metadata. Just go to permission. Everyone. Tapos, anong access ng everyone? Read lang. No? Never write. No? Read lang. Okay? Ngayon, question, accessible na ba to? Okay, let's find out. So, there's the link. Okay. If you notice, fully qualified domain ng Southeast Asia. No? Meaning, Sydney yan. Sydney, then the file name. No? Kung ito index HTML, this will be a web server. O, access ka agad. Okay? Success. Na success. F5. Okay, so accessible. Now, what else? Let's display all the content of our bucket. S3, list. S3, bucket ni Chris 2. Ano laman? Isa lang naman yung laman yun. Ayun, sa Alodia lang. Okay? Now, ito maganda. Gagawa tayo ng ating web server. Okay? Ito yung ating demo. It's a simple HTML file, no? Na may mga HTML tagging. H is for heading na kulay blue. So, sa index HTML natin, we're gonna add the word, welcome to Nexus IT Training Center. Heading siya, so medyo malaki, in color blue. Okay, so gagawa tayo ng simple document. Sa ating, re-recta na natin dito sa download. So, how do you create a document? Copycon index.html. Okay. And then, let's just paste the whole content, then Control Z. Meron ka ng index.html. Okay? Now, we're gonna upload the index.html. Okay, so let's upload. Same command. AWS. Yan. Copy the name of the file you would like to upload. HTML. Index.html. Success. Uploaded na, no? So, let's go back to our S3. Let's grant permission. So, ganun yung step. The more you perform, the more you become familiar, no? Remember, di pa accessible yan, di ba? Kasi wala pang read permission. So, grant na natin. Permission. Everyone. Public to have read-only. Okay? Read-only. Okay? Accessible yun. No? So, let's go back to overview. Click the, index.html. Boom. Okay. Meron ka ng web server. Simple index.html, which is highly secure. Okay? They won't be able to modify this one. Hindi ka ma-hack, no? Okay, do you have any question before you perform the hands-on lab?
Are you able to make do permissions also via CLI, sir?
Yeah, dun sa S3. Sa S3. So, remember I went to the bucket. So, per bucket siya. So, individual permission granting. No? So,
but through GUI po.
GUI, yeah. I'm only using GUI dito.
Okay. Okay.
So, this
But
is
but there's an option to do the
programmatically.
permissions po. Yeah.
Yeah. Oo. May option dun. So, may option dito sa AWS S3 question mark. Nasa lalabas yung mga option. Let's say, make bucket MB. So, nandyan yung mga permission. Ay, wala. MB sync, MV website, pre-sign. Ayan, pre-sign. Okay, so it's not displaying, So, yeah, pwede rin yan programmatically. Pero the best way for beginner, dito muna tayo. No?
Okay.
Okay, good luck. So, you have a copy of our lab. So, ito yung index.html. Okay. And this is how you do it via command line interface. I've shown you how to connect. Then ito naman yung GUI, no? To empty bucket. So, let's perform this one. What time? Ano ba ngayon? So, hands-on lab natin. Number 3. Magpo 4 p.m. na sa akin eh. Philippines 4, 3. 2 p.m. na dyan, ano? Philippines?
Yes po.
So, 2 p.m. Siguro mga ano to, 30 minutes lang, ano?
Ay, sir, pwede ko po makahingi ng access keys.
Yeah. Actually, na-paste ko na sa chat natin. Sige, paste ko ulit sa chat natin.
Opo,
Yung
wala
access.
po.
Let's go. Paste ko sa Skype kasi medyo pangit ang chat ng ano eh. Ng Zoom, napakaliit.
Opo.
Ipakita eh. Di ba? Ayan, I paste sa...
Thank you po.
Saan ba yan? Sa Skype.
Opo.
And then, send ko rin sa chat kasi maliit masyado to. Hindi nga makita. Pag meeting namin, wala kang makita talaga. Yan. Okay, na-chat ko na. Miss Mia, please add me sa Skype then so we can chat na. And I have uploaded this, the first hands-on lab. Hands-on lab 2. No? So, na-upload ko na sa YouTube. Okay, so send ko rin sa chat natin yan. Uploaded na sa YouTube. Okay, so see you around 2:30. Or what time sa inyo, Mami? Okay, anyway. Sige.
It's okay. I'll just do the 30 minutes.
Okay. See you later. Bye.